Hi guys, so let's learn how to install C++ in VS Code. Now, simple step is that if you have installed VS Code, the C++ won't run by default. You need to install a couple of extensions and Xcode in MacBook. So let's begin. By coming into the extensions menu in VS Code, make sure you search for C++. So you can just go for C++. You should be able to see this extension called C++ by Microsoft. You do need this extension. So make sure you install this. Once you click on the install button here, it will install this application. Once done with this, then go here and search for something called Code Runner. This one. Okay, so you need to install this one. What this Code Runner will do, it will allow you to have this run code button, which you can click and run the code directly. Okay, so once these two extensions are there, you would still know that the C++ code will not work properly. Okay, in order to do that, so if you click on run, the code should execute and give you an output in the terminal. You still need something called Xcode. Now, in order to install Xcode, very simply go into your App Store and search for this thing called Xcode. Okay, once you do that, you will be given this Xcode by developer tools by Apple themselves. So make sure you select here and click on install in this button. Since I've already done that, it's just showing me open button. This Xcode will contain certain SDK libraries basically for iOS, but that will enable our VS Code to understand C++ as well, because it will also install certain compatible SDK libraries for our C++. So once you install all this SDK, again, it will ask you for certain okay next and passwords and everything. So you just okay next and install it. Again, from Play Store, it's just no big issue. Once this is done, then if you come back to your VS Code and you try to write a simple code, and if you click on the run button here, it will execute the code and give you the output hello world here. So this is all basically it needs. You do need an Xcode, and you can install it from the App Store very simply, and then make sure you have these two extensions. Voila. Hope you like it. Thank you.